am so glad you're here. Welcome to Uri Design Studio. I'm Uri. I love to create, but what I love the most is to share with you my knowledge in design and inspire you to express your creativity in your unique ways. That is why I create video tutorials in my YouTube channel. I encourage you to take a look at those videos. And if you have any questions on a particular video, feel free to put your question in the comments. I will get back to you, I promise. If you need any assistance with home decor, home staging to help you put your house in the market, or any furniture transformation, I can help you with that. I take a furniture that is ordinary and plain and I transform it into a one of a kind. I hope to hear from you soon. Until later, goodbye.